Hi, I'm Rosalind Guder, and I'm inviting you into my world of creativity. I'm known for bold, stylized fashion portraiture. I start with a beautiful model, add dramatic lighting, and mix in some theatrical, over the top costumes. But it's in post production where I add the wow factor. If you're ready to elevate your craft and push your creative boundaries, join me in Pontiac, Michigan on October 15th for my Sculptured Lighting for Impact program. I'll share my overnight success story and demonstrate some of my favorite lighting designs. Bring your enthusiasm and a camera on October 16th for Wham Blam, an immersive full-day PPA merited workshop on how to create my breathtaking, luminous, artistic masterpieces. You'll learn my process from start to finish, with a deep dive into the creative and technical aspects of crafting stunning images that leave a lasting impression, and come away with some spectacular images for your own portfolio. Spaces are limited, so head to dppa.net to secure your spot today. Let's create something unforgettable.